girl D.luvly, and I'm back. Today is Saturday, and I'm going shopping for my home, and I wanted to bring you guys along with me. Hobby Lobby is having a 50 and 75% off their summer decor items, so I'm going there first to see what I can find. I am still putting decor items in my home. I can never get enough of finding decor items. So yeah, I just wanted to bring you guys along with me, see behind the scenes what the stores have, just in case you haven't already been in these stores. And make sure you stay tuned to the end, because I will, whatever I pick up, the items I will be showing at the end of this video.
I know they can't see what I do, so don't wonder what I got into, what I get into. Hey, I'll bet that he's smiling, but inhibitions fade. Not no point in trying. I know I can keep away. No, I can't wait to say it's going harder than me, 'cause I want you.
Hello, I'm back, and I want to go ahead and show you the items that I picked up from the store, including this love key holder. I got it from Hobby Lobby, and it was $10.99, but I got it for 75% off, and I needed somewhere to put my keys, so I went on and got this. I put it up already, and including I picked up this little pointy little decor item. I think it's really cute. It goes along with the decor colors that I have in my home. So yeah, when I seen this, I had to grab it. So yeah, come on, I'm gonna show you the other items that I picked up. So the next thing that I picked up is this coffee pot. I picked it up from Rose. Tiffany Blue is one of my favorite colors, as well as Tiffany Blue and Company. So when I see this, I had to pick it up. It goes really well with my status, so that was a must grab. Needed something to go over my stove on the top part of it, so I picked up this Let's Eat sign. This was also at Hobby Lobby. It was $14.99, and I paid $9.99 for this because I did get a percentage off. They have in-store coupons that you can use. So I picked this up. I also picked up these wire basket accessory bins because I am decorating my home office, and I think these will be really cute on my wall. And I can also put a planner in these, as well as other things, paper or whatever I need in these baskets. I can put up the sign that says Create. I got this from the dollar section in Target, and I think that'll be really cute on my wall once I start putting the decor on my wall. Those are the items that I picked up today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for more. I will see you loves later. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that button and hit that notification button, girl, because I have a lot of more episodes, videos coming up this summer, and I'm sure you guys is going to love it. So go ahead and hit that notification. Join the YouTube community, boo, and I will see you guys later.